What if the reason you keep falling off track isn't because you're lazy, isn't because you lack discipline, and isn't because you need one more motivational video? What if the real problem is this? Your brain has been trained to choose comfort over change, and no amount of hype can fix a pattern that's been wired into you for years. Because motivation is a spark, but wiring is the system. And systems always beat sparks. That you've probably felt it before. That late night moment when everything becomes clear. You tell yourself, tomorrow, I'm going to change. You'll wake up early, eat better, focus more, stop procrastinating, become the version of yourself you keep seeing in your head. And for a moment, you believe it. But then tomorrow comes. The alarm rings. Your body feels heavy. Your mind negotiates. Just 5 more minutes. I'll start later. Today's not the right day. And just like that, the future version of you disappears, not because you didn't want it enough, but because your brain went back to what feels familiar. Not what's good, not what's true, what's familiar. That's the trap. Listen carefully. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your conditioning. So if your days are ruled by distraction, overstimulation, rushing, noise, and instant dopamine, then of course stillness feels boring. Of course, discipline feels painful. Of course, deep work feels impossible. Your brain isn't broken. It's just adapted to the wrong environment. Imagine a person standing in the middle of a storm, frustrated that they can't hear themselves think. That's most people. They keep trying to push harder while living in constant mental noise. Phone in hand, tabs open, thoughts racing, always consuming, never arriving. And then they wonder why they feel disconnected from their purpose. But clarity doesn't come from doing more. It comes from creating enough silence to finally hear what matters. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do for your life is slow it down enough to notice it. Rewiring your brain doesn't start with intensity. It starts with repetition. Small, boring, almost invisible choices. Waking up and not touching your phone for the first 10 minutes. Sitting in silence before the world enters your mind. Taking one walk without music. Finishing one task before switching to the next. Breathing slower when your thoughts speed up. Keeping one promise to yourself, especially when nobody sees it. These moments seem tiny, but this is how you teach your brain a new normal. Not through pressure, through proof. You show yourself again and again, I am safe in stillness. I do not need chaos to feel alive. I can choose what is hard now, so life feels lighter later. That is rewiring. And one day, without realizing it, you stop chasing motivation. Because you no longer need to be rescued by a feeling. You've built a mind that can hold steady even when inspiration disappears. You become quieter, clearer, less reactive, less desperate, more present. And that presence changes everything. Because when your mind stops fighting itself, your energy returns. Your focus returns. Your self-respect returns. And maybe that's what you were really searching for all along. Not motivation, but peace. Not hype, but alignment. Not another reset, but a new identity. So, no, you don't need more motivation. You need to retrain the brain that keeps leading you back to the life you say you want to escape. Slow down, reduce the noise, repeat what matters, and let your new life be built quietly. Because real transformation is rarely loud. It happens in silence, in rhythm, in choice. And the moment your brain learns that peace is powerful, everything changes. If this message sharpened you, stay in the fire. Subscribe and keep forging.